In a large bowl, combine 1 egg white with water, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Whisk until the egg white is frothy, and then add white sugar, brown sugar, and whisk again. And finally, sprinkle in some ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon, and whisk until everything is thoroughly combined. Then pour in your raw almonds, and using a spatula, stir until the almonds are well coated. Then take a parchment-lined baking sheet and pour your almonds onto the baking sheet. And using the spatula, spread the almonds out into a nice even layer so that they bake evenly. Then place the almonds in your preheated oven, and they're going to bake for a total of 60 minutes. But every 15 minutes, you're going to check on the almonds and toss them. I'll show you what I mean. By tossing the almonds every 15 minutes, it ensures that they are each individually well coated and that the sugar mixture does not burn on the almonds. Towards the end of the process, you'll see that it starts to create a hard coating on the almonds, and that's exactly what we want. And finally, this is the finished product. Your kitchen is going to smell heavenly. So now just give them a nice stir again, and scoop them up and serve in your most favorite way. I'm making them for gifts, so I'm placing them in these nice cute little glass jars. But I've also saved a few just for munching, kind of like Christmas market style, or in a nice little bowl perfect for movie nights. Guten Appetit. Frohe Weihnachten.